once again, since the darker pollen parts up here is a darker value, I don't care if it goes over, that blue goes over that. That brown is going to cover that blue up. So looser, you don't have to be quite so careful with the details and edges because it's not the focal point. Alright, now using this, I'm not going to do the same treatment for these little splotches on this flower and this flower. I want it to blur more over there. So while it's still wet, I'm going to dabble in that color right now. It's kind of like a alizarin crimson red. I'm going to mix it in with a little bit of cadmium red. Actually a little bit of brown as well. Burnt sienna will be the one I'm using. So mix that all in, wipe out the excess, and then add a few splotches of this pollen. One thing I'm doing is called splattering. Basically using a loaded brush with some type of pigment and tapping against something. So you can see, I'm doing it only slightly. I don't want to overkill it. I just want for like those tiny little spots to have that effect. And the big ones I can just dab it with my brush. That way I have more control where it's going. You can always smudge it a little with your hands too. I'm a fond supporter of finger painting. Alright, so that will be my second layer.